Well, it's just another morning at the shady rest, home for the aged and the convalesced. Let's take a little stroll down the Wild West wing and see what's happening. Now Harry's in the first room down the hall, but he ain't a popping pills and sipping Jerry talk. I asked him what the secret is of 93. He says a double dose of Basie and a Ella Fitzgerald. Keep on, keep on, keep on a rock, keep on a rock, keep on a rockin' till you're dead and gone. Clock on the wall keeps tick-tocking, but the boogie is your antidote. You gotta keep on rockin' or you'll turn to stone. Now Darla is a diva in a 102, singing showstoppers, dancing with a broom. Her boyfriend Floyd is quite the catch, 'cause he can play his dentures like castanets. Now Wanda's in a walker and she's on the move, a pink house coat and a blue suede shoes. Rosie is a roomie and she's frail and gray, but she can skeedle-doop-a-deedle-dweedle-deedle all day. Keep on, keep on, keep on a rock, keep on a rock, keep on a rockin' till you're dead and gone. Clock on the wall, tick-tocking, but the boogie is your antidote. You gotta keep on rockin' or you'll turn to stone. Every now and then when the moon is full, a walking cane stuck in the door handle. The doctors and the nurses just look the other way as the whole place starts to shake. They take the microphone where they play bingo, shove it in the speaker of the stereo. The saxophone shrieks and the bass drum pounds, but they never turn it down. You gotta keep on, keep on, keep on a rock, keep on